Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing butter burgers on the Big Green Egg. All right, so we've got our egg set up. We're 450 degrees today, and we're cooking right on a cast iron skillet inside the egg. So I'm gonna do the buns first. So I've got a really hot skillet here. We're gonna get a little bit of butter melting. This does not take long. Just want to get a nice char on there in the butter. All right, got a nice toast on our buns here. Gonna set those aside for now. We're gonna get started on the burgers. Gonna add a little bit more butter. And we've got some onions and mushrooms. Gonna throw that into the mix. And some garlic. Gonna let that go for just a minute. So we've got a nice peppers and onions, garlic cooking here. We're gonna season up. Today we're doing bold and beefy from Blues Hog. Goes great on burgers, just about anything beef related. So a little seasoning on there, both sides. And these are gonna cook quick. We go right inside the skillet. And these are called butter burgers because we're gonna just keep adding butter. Get the butter over the top of them. Like so, and then as we need butter, we can just add more right in the middle. And then we're just gonna keep moving the burgers around the onions, slide them into the butter. It's been just a couple minutes on our burger side here, and I'm gonna take some of this. You can catch some of this brown butter that falls down to the bottom of the pan and just start spooning it over the burgers. Get a nice coating there. They're cooking in the butter too, and then we're good to go ahead and flip these over. Make sure they're getting in that garlic, onion, butter mixture. Just a couple more minutes on those. We're gonna take a few of these onions, kind of spoon them on top. There's butter in that mixture too. And just keep bringing the butter over the top. And then we're gonna throw a couple slices of cheese. Got some sliced provolone. Give that just a second to melt. All right, cheese is melted. Burgers are done. Gonna slide them onto the buns here. And then you dress those up with your favorite toppings. And voila, butter burgers on the Big Green Egg. If you'd like to try this at home, you can get the recipe at ky3.com or stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa for a printed copy and all of your barbecue needs and expert advice.